toxin levels detected.
Have you been able to get the beverage machine to work yet? Yes, this all looks nominal.
Access granted.
Oh my. Right.
Major fracture detected.
Well, I seem to be seriously wounded.
Warning. Vital signs critical.
It can't get any worse than this. Oh! You can't be serious. Oh no! I've got to get out of here.
Jeez, and I thought I had a long night. You look like hell.
Greetings!
What are you trying to do?
Stop asking that question.
Well, sir, I hate to say it, but you're in bad shape.
Who are you?
I'll bet that stings a bit.
Shut up.
No regrets.
Sorry, I'm leaving now.
I guess so. Whoa, that was close. All right, let's go for it. What the hell?
Morphine administered.
Oh dear!
No way.
Whoa! Ah! My goodness!